Ever found yourself in the uncomfortable situation of a urinary tract infection or UTI and wondered if there's a natural remedy that could help? Urinary tract infections, colloquially known as UTIs, are infections that affect any part of the urinary system. These infections are typically caused by bacteria and can be quite uncomfortable, often leading to symptoms like a frequent urge to urinate, pain or burning when urinating, and cloudy, strong-smelling urine. In the world of medicine, we are accustomed to reaching for antibiotics to nip these infections in the bud. However, some people are turning their attention to natural remedies, seeking ways to alleviate symptoms without the use of traditional medicine. This shift is driven by a variety of reasons, such as concerns about antibiotic resistance, desire for a holistic approach, or simply personal preference. Today we'll explore 5 natural remedies believed to alleviate the symptoms of UTIs. So, let's embark on this journey of understanding and discovery together. Knowing the symptoms of a UTI is the first step to managing it. Let's delve into what these symptoms might look like. For many, a burning sensation when urinating is a common indicator. This discomfort can range from mild to severe and is often the first sign that something is amiss. Another common symptom is the frequent urge to urinate, even when your bladder isn't full. This can be an incredibly frustrating and uncomfortable experience, especially when it disrupts your daily routines. Finally, lower abdominal pain is another key symptom to watch out for. This might feel like a pressure or a dull ache around the bladder area. It's important to remember that these symptoms can vary from person to person, and some might not experience all of them. Recognizing these symptoms can help you start treatment sooner and potentially lessen the severity of the infection. By understanding our bodies, we empower ourselves to seek the right course of action at the earliest. Our first natural remedy is as simple as it gets: water. Water, the essence of life, is also our first line of defense against urinary tract infections. It's a humble yet powerful ally in our health arsenal. But why is that? Well, the more water you drink, the more you'll need to urinate. This continuous flushing of your urinary system helps to remove the harmful bacteria causing the infection. Think of it as a natural detox that happens right inside your body. Now you might be wondering just how much water should you drink? While the generally accepted guideline is about 8 glasses a day, when it comes to UTIs, more could be better. Aiming for 10 to 12 glasses can be highly beneficial. This increase in water intake will help dilute your urine and ensure that you urinate more frequently, thus expelling bacteria more regularly. But it's not just about the quantity of water, it's also about timing. You should aim to drink water evenly throughout the day. This ensures a consistent flushing of your system, rather than a sudden deluge followed by a period of drought. Drinking a glass of water every hour or so can be an effective strategy. Of course, everyone's body is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. If drinking more water makes you uncomfortable or causes other issues, it's essential to listen to your body and adjust accordingly. And remember, while water can be very helpful in managing and preventing UTIs, it's not a standalone cure. It's one element of a holistic approach that includes proper hygiene, a healthy diet, and if necessary, appropriate medical intervention. But let's not underestimate the power of this simple, natural elixir. By staying well hydrated, you're not just making it harder for bacteria to stick around, you're also supporting your overall health. After all, our bodies are made up of more than 60% water. It's a vital component of every cell, every tissue, every organ. So fill up that water bottle, make it your constant companion, and let it do its work. Remember, water is a natural detoxifier and can be a powerful tool in fighting UTIs. Next up, we have a vitamin that's not just for colds: vitamin C. This powerhouse nutrient has a significant role in the battle against urinary tract infections. So how does vitamin C rise to the challenge? Well, it's all about the acidity, my friends. When you consume vitamin C, it's metabolized and excreted through your urine, making the environment in your bladder more acidic. This shift in pH balance isn't a big deal for you, but for the bacteria causing your UTI, it's like throwing a wrench in their plans. The increased acidity can inhibit the growth of these bacteria, making it harder for them to multiply and cause havoc in your urinary tract. Now you might be wondering, where can I get this magical vitamin? The good news is, vitamin C is abundant in many of the foods you probably already have in your kitchen. Citrus fruits such as oranges and grapefruits are well known for their high vitamin C content. But it doesn't stop there. Strawberries, kiwis, bell peppers, and even broccoli are loaded with this essential nutrient. Of course, if you're not a fan of these foods or if you're just looking for a more convenient option, Vitamin C supplements are widely available in pharmacies and health food stores. They come in various forms: tablets, capsules, even chewables for those who prefer a tangy treat. Remember though, moderation is key. Too much vitamin C can lead to stomach upset and other side effects, so it's best to stick to the recommended daily intake. The general guideline is about 75 milligrams for women and 90 milligrams for men. Incorporating vitamin C into your daily routine can be a game changer in your fight against urinary tract infections. It's a simple step really, but its impact can be profound. With a dash of vitamin C, you're not just boosting your immune system, you're also fighting off those nasty UTI bacteria. So why not add a little citrus to your day? Your bladder will thank you. Our third remedy brings friendly bacteria into the mix: probiotics. Yes, you heard it right, bacteria can be friends, not foes. These are the good guys, the superheroes of your body, always ready to fight off the villains, the harmful bacteria. Probiotics are living microorganisms that, when ingested in adequate amounts, contribute to a healthy gut. Think of probiotics as a bustling city of good bacteria and yeasts living in your digestive system. They are like the police force of your body, maintaining order and keeping the bad bacteria in check. But where can we find these friendly bacteria? They come in foods like yogurt, kefir, and fermented foods like sauerkraut and kimchi. Including these foods in your diet can help populate your gut with beneficial bacteria. Why are they important, you ask? Well, probiotics are not only beneficial for tackling urinary tract infections, they play a significant role in overall health. They help digest food, destroy disease-causing cells, and produce vitamins. They are involved in many vital processes that ensure the smooth running of your body's systems. For instance, probiotics help maintain a healthy balance in the gut. When you are sick or taking antibiotics, this balance can be upset. Probiotics can help restore it. They also help in digesting and absorbing nutrients from the food we eat. Moreover, they play a crucial role in supporting our immune system. Yes, a significant portion of our immune system is located in our gut. By keeping the gut healthy, probiotics indirectly help in keeping our immune system strong. So it's not just about urinary tract infections, it's about overall health. It's about a healthy gut, a strong immune system, and a well-functioning body. Probiotics are like the unsung heroes, working behind the scenes, making sure everything is running smoothly. Incorporating probiotics into your diet is like hiring a personal bodyguard for your health. They help keep the harmful bacteria in check, support your immune system, and contribute to overall well-being. Probiotics are an excellent way to maintain a balanced and healthy body. Now that we've covered our top 3 natural remedies for UTIs, let's recap. Firstly, we discussed the benefits of water. Water is not just essential for life but also a potent natural remedy for urinary tract infections. It aids in flushing out bacteria, reducing the likelihood of infections. It also dilutes the urine, making it less painful to urinate when you have a UTI. So, remember to stay hydrated and drink plenty of water, especially if you're prone to UTIs. Next, we talked about the power of vitamin C. This vital nutrient can supercharge your immune system and create a hostile environment for bacteria in your urinary tract. By making the urine more acidic, vitamin C can help inhibit the growth of bacteria, potentially preventing or easing a UTI. So don't shy away from oranges, strawberries, bell peppers, and other vitamin C-rich foods. Then we delved into the world of probiotics, those friendly bacteria that can help maintain a healthy balance in our bodies. Probiotics, particularly those found in fermented dairy products like yogurt, can help keep the harmful bacteria in check. They can also strengthen your immune system, providing an extra layer of defense against UTIs. But as we've mentioned throughout this video, early recognition and treatment of UTIs are crucial. If you're experiencing frequent urination, a burning sensation when urinating, or lower abdominal pain, these could be signs of a UTI. Don't ignore these symptoms. While natural remedies can be a part of your defense strategy, they are not a substitute for professional medical advice and treatment. Remember, while these natural remedies can help, always consult a healthcare professional if you're experiencing symptoms of a UTI. Stay healthy and stay informed.